dry January are here. Are you ready for a natural and effective way to break the damaging cycle of alcohol cravings? Crave Edge is the first and only pure L-glutamine supplement physician-formulated specifically to help curb alcohol cravings. It also helps curb sugar and carb cravings.
I'm a very out-of-shape Muay Thai fighter, and I just got out of my second Muay Thai class in 15 years. When my body hurts this much on a Friday night, I want to drink myself. But instead, I reach for Crave Edge. Dissolves very easily in water, and it tastes like absolutely nothing. And you know what's the best? It keeps me from wanting to drink myself into eating sandwiches for breakfast. So instead of reaching for your 9th glass of whiskey on a Friday night, reach for Crave Edge from Straight Edge Labs.
Crave Edge contains the highest quality glutamine made in the USA and extracted by a proprietary fermentation process. It is the purest and highest quality product in a clinically effective dose with no unnecessary ingredients. It is fast-acting and easy to take and can be seamlessly incorporated into a daily routine to help manage alcohol cravings.
If we take a look at the nutritional facts, you'll see that this is 100% glutamine, which is amazing. Glutamine has so many beneficial properties for our bodies. Not only will it help with alcohol cravings, but also sugar cravings. Helps to rebuild your muscles after exercising as well. According to the label, all we need is 1 little scoop that we mix with 8 ounces of water. Let's give it a good shake and see how it goes. In my sports bottle, I only have water and the powder, nothing else, specifically so I could see how soluble the powder is, wanting to make sure that it does fully dissolve as easily as they claim. Yep. Not sure if you guys can see, but if you take a look inside, it is all completely dissolved. There's no residue or powder on the bottom. Let's give it a taste test. Wow, it literally just tastes like water. This is absolutely flavorless. What a wonderful perk. It's good.
Crave Edge was created by a board-certified physician specializing in natural medicine who has been using Crave Edge in his daily practice for patients with cravings for alcohol, sugar, or who want to build muscle. The bottles are intentionally larger to allow easier access to scooping out the powder. Each bottle contains a full 30 servings.